If you're looking for something that's still here in 2026, not something brand new, I want to show you an online business that I've been involved with for the past 11 years. This is Exitus Elite, and then there's a reason why I never left. I joined 11 years ago. Since then, I've seen all kinds of trends come and go. Most disappeared. This did not. Let me keep this super simple. Exitus Elite is a digital education business. People buy digital products. You earn commissions. There's no awkward explaining, and everybody knows what the product is. You're selling education to people who already want to learn how to make money online. That's the foundation. That's why it works. I've seen programs launch fast. They hype very hard, then they vanish. This one didn't. What kept me here was the stability, 100% commissions, and a system that didn't change every other month. Now, I don't like to rebuild my business all the time. I like building it once. And this isn't for people looking for fast money. It's not push button. And it's not for people who hate learning. But if you want a business that you can grow into, one message that you can repeat, and one system you don't have to defend, well, in a second, I'm going to show you exactly what people buy and how commissions work. Here's what people actually buy. They purchase digital training that teaches online marketing skills step by step. And when someone buys a level through you, you earn the commission tied to that level. It's straightforward. And the product gets delivered immediately, and you get paid immediately. This is where a lot of people get it wrong. They think it's all about convincing everyone. It's not. It's about finding people who already want to learn how to make money online. And that's why this works long term. People come in at different levels. They learn at their own pace. And you can build this without any pressure at all. Next, I want to explain why I stayed with this when so many other programs disappeared, because that part matters. I didn't have time to relearn everything. I didn't have time to explain a new story, and I certainly didn't have time to start over. I like building an online business once and improving, not rebuilding it over all the time. I also saw people join after me, different backgrounds, different skill levels. Some moved fast, some took their time, but the system always met them where they were. That told me this wasn't about timing. It was all about structure. And when something still works years later, well, that tells you something very important. So I want to tell you what the very next step is if you care to explore this. So here's what I'll say to wrap this all up. Exitus Elite isn't magic. It's not fast money. It's not push button. And it's not for everyone. But it's real, it's structured, and it's been working for the past 11 years. So if you like the idea of one system, one message, and building a legitimate online business without starting over all the time, then the very best thing you can do right now is take a closer look. There's no rush. There's no pressure. I've laid everything out for you to decide for yourself. If it makes sense, great. If not, that's fine too. The next step is right below this video.